Hello, my name is Samuel, and I am an expert full-stack developer. I started my journey with ERNI in 2018 as a junior .NET developer, and during these years I have had the opportunity to work on several MedTech projects using the latest versions of .NET. At the beginning, I only had the focus on backend development, but I was also attracted by front-end technologies. So they gave me the opportunity to develop in this area by allowing me to work on different backend projects, but also projects with front-end technologies like Angular, React, or Svelte. One of the things that I appreciate most about ERNI is their emphasis on continuous development and learning. They have supported me in expanding my skills and knowledge. This is why I have taken communication courses, led .NET workshops and communities, and even pursued internal promotions and completed a master's in cybersecurity. These opportunities have contributed to my personal and professional growth. I am grateful to work with a team where I can learn something new every day, thanks to all the talented people that I work with.